Hello everyone, this is Aryan Thakkar, your coach and mentor, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Where in this video, I'm going to tell you about the important topics with respect to your Rhapsody portion. Again, a disclaimer, please read each and every poem thoroughly so that you'll be able to do your MCQ and your give reasons. Do not leave out anything, but the most probable that I feel which should be important for tomorrow's paper will be for 5 marks, they should be giving telephone conversation because it is your first poem and it is very important, where they might ask you to bring out the role of racial discrimination with the help of the poem telephone conversation. Okay, you'll have to address that. Other important poem that I feel is important for tomorrow's paper, it should be Death Be Not Proud, where death has been considered as a powerless entity and the poet has tried to undermine the grandeur of death. That is the important aspect which you might have to touch upon. Along with that, for 10-mark question, I feel if I were to set your paper, I might have given you all draw out the contrast between the poem Tithonus and Death Be Not Proud. बिकॉज दोनों ही डेथ के आसपास रिवॉल्व अराउंड करते हैं, लेकिन दोनों का नजरिया डेथ को परसीव करने का एकदम अलग है. वेयर Tithonus, through the eyes of immortality, he perceives death as a source of liberation. He wants to free from it and he yearns for death. On the other hand, Death Be Not Proud में death is shown as a very diminutive entity, as a powerless entity. So you might get a question that you have to bring out a contrast between both of the poems. So prepare accordingly. And along with that, I feel Beethoven is a must. Aana hi chahiye. The struggles of Beethoven as a child and his traumatic experiences, despite the challenges which he faced during his childhood, still he manages to turn out to be a genius in the end. So these, according to my opinion, are the most important and the most probable. Make sure not to leave them out. And if you are liking my channel and my content, then please do like, share, subscribe, and share it with your friends, and press the bell icon for the recent updates. Have a great time preparing. Take care. Bye-bye.